This is exactly how I was able to fix my Facebook app that I wasn't able to see the shared post. So first thing we need to do is to swipe up like this on our phone, and then you have to actually just remove your Facebook app or just close it for now. And then what you're gonna do after that is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here just search for Facebook, click on the Facebook app, scroll down and click on Facebook here, as you can see. So you can see I have this blue button here where it says open, right? But before it actually said update for me. So I had to click on the update button here and then wait for my Facebook app to completely update to its latest version. So this actually fixed it for me. So if you have a blue button here where it says update, that's perfect, just click on it. But if it says open here, as it does for me, that means that you already have the latest version. And if it still is not working for you, what you can try to do as well is to swipe down like this on your phone and then enable the airplane mode, wait about 5 to 10 seconds and then disable it after that. And try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be able to be fixed for you as well.